I hope all of you are safe at home, and very unluckily I couldn't make up the first introduction to this class, to your class for my paper Entrepreneurship, due to the ongoing crisis, global crisis. So our first class will be this class, that is through a video, and in today's video I'll be just highlighting you about the subject, the course, the curriculum, the syllabus, etc. So this is my paper for class 12 commerce, and this is Entrepreneurship. The writer of this book is Poonam Gandhi. This is the book which you'll be using for this academic session, and then the syllabus is prescribed as per the NBSE, and then this will be for your academic year 2020-2021. So regarding this paper, I'll be highlighting few things about the course, the curriculum, etc. So let's start with it. In my paper, that is Entrepreneurship, you have a total of 100 marks, and out of this 100 marks, 70 marks is external and 30 marks is internal. Let me repeat it again. Out of the 100 marks in this paper, you have 70 marks for external and 30 marks for internal. Well, out of the 70 marks, you need a total of 21 marks to qualify, that is to pass, that is 21 mark for passing the subject, and out of 30 you need a total of a total of 12 marks, so altogether it will be 33. So 21 plus 12 is equal to 33. You will be requiring 33 marks to pass this paper, and trust me, in this paper 95% of the students they pass, because it's a very easy paper where most of the things you can add up yourself also if you know the points and all. So I hope you will be giving your 100% to this paper, and this is one paper where distinction is expected easily, and most of the time many students in this paper have got distinction in the past few years, which I have experienced. Regarding the subject, questions are also not very tough. So I hope you'll be preparing well for this subject, and I'll be, till these crises are over, till the classes are resumed normally, I'll be giving the explanation videos, and then the notes will be given to you in PDF, and most of the notes are available in the textbook, so I won't be giving everything. The one which is not available in the textbook, that I'll be giving you in PDF to this WhatsApp group, and you can use it for your study purposes, which will be helpful to you, I believe, and it should be, because now is the time where you are not able to attend classes, so this will be something that will help you. So as I mentioned, 33 marks out of 100, we just divided into 70 and 50. Now let me tell about the 70. In this 70 marks, total of the 70 marks, you have short answer questions, long answer question, 3-mark question, 5-mark question of these types. I'll be discussing about the question paper later on. So this will be of 70 marks. Now coming back to the internal, what is this internal 30 marks all about? That is very important to know. So this 30 mark is based on a field trip, a project work, and based on your performance, your write-ups, and marks will be awarded to you. So I'll be discussing about these 30 marks thoroughly, so listen it carefully. 30 marks internal is divided into 10, 10, 5, 5. I repeat, the 30 marks internal is divided into 10, 10, 5, 5. So you will be you will be taken out for a field trip based on some mini plants, some industrial units, business units, etc. Mostly manufacturing units, which is a concern more, that is a manufacturing unit. So you will be taken out for a field trip in a manufacturing unit, and you'll be collecting the data regarding the capital, etc., etc. Whatever it is, that will be given to you later on. But now, briefly, I just wanted to say about it. So, this field trip, based on your field trip, you will be asked to write a report on the field trip, which will consist of 10 marks. That is, the project report will consist of 10 marks, and again, based on that, you will be asked 5 marks viva voice by an external examiner. So till last year we had this Tetso College as our external examiner. They come and based on your write-ups, they ask some questions and you need to answer that. So regarding that 5 marks, it will be based on how you speak, how good you're at speaking, and how confident you are, and how much you know about your write-ups. So remember, your Viva will be based on your writings only. Whatever you will be write, they will ask from there, so you don't need to worry about it. So 10 marks for project report based on your field trip where you will be taken. We will be definitely going somewhere. So 10 marks will be given for that project write-up, and 5 marks will be on Viva. So remaining 15 marks, 10 marks will be based on a case study of a business unit, case study of successful entrepreneurs, case study of businessmen, etc. So what is this case study all about? That will be given to you later on, but for now 10 marks will be based on case studies. Some topics will be given, you will go for it, you will study, you will write about it, and then you will be given 10 marks out there. Now again, the remaining 10 marks will be based on problem solving. So what is this problem solving? In your syllabus, you have some questions based on break-even analysis and working capital. Some problems are here in your subject, that is entrepreneurship. So there will be an exam for 5 marks for problems. You will be given 2 questions in option, 5 marks each, and you have to attempt any one for which the time limitation is around 10 minutes. That will be taken on the day of your Viva voice. So this problem solving will give you 5 marks, project report will give you 10 marks, and then your Viva will give you 5 marks, and your case study will give you another 10 marks. So total is 30 marks, and from this 30 marks you need to get a minimum of 12. Remember, if your internal mark is good, then you don't need to worry for securing distinction in this paper. So you have to focus more on this, and trust me, this internal portion is very easy. Most of the students, they scored 25 plus in the past experience I have seen, and some students, they don't have writing skills, or some students, they cannot speak well, but still then if I train you all, then you'll be able to speak, and you can get 20 plus. So this is your targeted area for securing distinction in my paper, that is entrepreneurship. So that was about the internal. So if you have any questions, you can put up in the comment section regarding this internal. More videos will be coming on this, because I didn't say about what is a case study, I didn't highlight more about problem solving. So this is just a brief highlight of what this 30 marks is all about. I hope all of you are clear with that. I have given you about the 30 marks. Now coming back to the 70 marks, what is this 70 marks all about? So this 70 marks, is about the theoretical parts, and this consists of 6 units, and again these 6 units are subdivided into some chapters. So these 6 units have a total of 70 marks. Out of these 6 units, 4 units have 15 marks each, and 2 units have 5 marks each. So based on these markings, you will be asked questions in examination. So out of the 70 marks, you need to score a minimum of 21 marks. And as I said, this will consist of 1 mark question, 3 mark question, 5 mark question, and 8 mark questions. And I'll be highlighting more about these question papers later on, just after this. But remember, these 70 marks consisting of 6 total units, it requires a lot of time. So most of the things are being repeated, which you have learned in class 11 also. So they are not much important, and it's quite related with your business studies also. So most of the things will be known to you, and I am sure you will enjoy learning them. Some concepts, some chapters are similar to what you have learned in class 11, and they are same with business studies also. So it will be very interesting for all of you for the 70 marks. So remember, 70 marks consists of 6 different units, and out of the 6 different units, 2 units have 5 marks each, and 4 units have 15 marks each. So now one thing is very clear: the units which have 5 marks each, over there you won't get questions of 8 marks. It will be just 5 marks, 3 marks, or 1 mark. So that is also very clear to you. Now let me discuss about the question paper. So question paper, external question paper, which is based on 70 marks, you will be having questions on 1 mark, 3 marks, and 8 marks. So you will have a total of these questions, that is 1 mark, 3 marks, 5 marks, and 8 marks. And in every 5 marks and 8 marks question, you have a choice. That is, 2 questions will be given to you, and you need to write any one. So you will have internal choice in the 5 mark and 8 mark questions. So more about the question papers you'll be given. I'll be giving you a sample of the question paper also, so which you can also get a question paper from your seniors who have prepared these examinations. I'll also try to give you in PDF about this question paper, so that at least you get the idea that how questions are being asked. So that was all about the introduction part of this subject. I'll be coming up with more videos related to our first unit. So unit wise, till this problems are solved, till we have our normal classes, I'll be giving minimum one topic you'll be getting every day, and you will be getting some re-explanation as well. But through these videos, I'll be giving you some topics which may not be very known to you, and which is not very similar or familiar to you. So I'll be giving on that. So if you have any doubt regarding the course, syllabus, question paper, etc., pass mark or whatever it is, you can write in the comment section. So I will meet up in the next video. Thank you everyone. Stay safe.